So we're going to try creating 2020 bubble numbers. So first thing you're going to want to do is just write the numbers. And you want to generally fill the page so it doesn't look too small. Then with whatever marker, or you could do this with a pencil first to make sure you don't mess up, we're going to create a halo around each number. And I'll just do it kind of simple rounded one now. So I'm just going around the pencil lines to make a bubble. And I can do the same thing. And if you want to have a little overlap, that's okay too. So if it touches there, I can stop it and then reconnect here. Then I do the inside. So we're getting both sides of the digits. Just kind of going around and making some bubbles. And we'll do the last one. And then all I would need to do is go back and erase out my pencil lines inside, and then I'll be left with decent looking bubble letters. Now you don't have to do them just as a simple circle or simple bubble. If you want to, you can make it more squared off. So you can use squared edges as you go around and create your bubble that goes around the letters so that it looks a little bit maybe more formal. If you feel like that's what you want to do. But you can also alter the lines as you go and make them different. Like let's say I want to make this one look more exciting. I can do a jagged line going around the 2. And then it looks like it's more electrified. And sometimes it's nice to have a little contrast in our image. And maybe this says something about 2020 that a regular bubble letter wouldn't. So it's up to you if you want to do it that way. You can also change the sizes of the digits. They don't have to be all the same. And if you know how to do a little bit of a graffiti styling, you can have some fun with that. So you can change the thinness and thickness of the lines and create some interesting digits that way as well. So we can have some fun with this one, do some purposeful overlapping, and play around with the style of the letters, or the numbers actually. I can flare them out, make them look a little bit more interesting, and then visually this becomes something more dynamic to kind of play around with. So however you want to do your digits, it's up to you. You can use the ones that I gave you, or you can go ahead and make up your own, but it's not too hard to do.